Welcome back to Funny Fridays, where math turns into a little mystery, a little logic, and a whole lot of fun. This week's riddle is, I'm thinking of a number, I subtract 7, then divide by 2, and I get 6. What number am I? Take a few seconds to figure it out. Don't rush. Pause now if you need a little more time. Let's turn this riddle into an equation. I'm thinking of a number. Let's use the variable n. I subtract 7, then divide by 2, and I get 6. Now we can solve for n by multiplying each side by 2, leaving us with n minus 7 equals 12. Next, we'll add 7 to both sides, giving us n equals 19. The mystery number is 19, and we solved it by using a little algebra. Did you get it right? Nice work, math thinker! Hit that like button, subscribe to Math Defined, and drop your math riddle in the comments. We might just feature yours in a future episode of Funny Fridays. See you next week for more maths and laughs.